When we wrap halloumi cheese in golden parathas, some magic happens, which is bold, rich, and unforgettable, a fusion that speaks for itself. For stuffing, we have to grate the cheese and add all the dry spices along with caramelized onion, salt, and coriander leaves, and combine them well. If you don't have caramelized onion, you can also add chopped or dehydrated onion too. Now in a bowl, add wheat flour and salt, mix them well, add water and make a soft dough. Before finishing the dough, add oil and knead it again. Now it's ready to make parathas. In each ball, stuff halloumi mixture and seal it well, and flatten to roll it. On rolling surface, gently roll out each stuffed ball into paratha. Heat a pan and place rolled paratha on it. Cook it until golden spot appear, then flip it. Add oil, butter or ghee and cook it well from both sides until golden and crispy. Serve hot with yogurt or pickle or any sides whichever you like. Enjoy.
It's yummy, Mommy.
It's yummy?